What is the integral of e to the x times rad 1 plus e to the x dx? So right off the bat, we can see it's an indefinite integral, so we're going to have to include a plus c at the end. And let's see how we should approach the integration. So there's no trigonometric properties, so trig sub's out of the question. And though there is multiplication, doing integration by parts would probably be really annoying since there's a radical. So that leaves us with u sub. So what could we set u equal to? Well, usually you would set it under something that could be complex, for instance, a radical. So we could set this term under the radical, 1 plus e to the x, set that to be u, and then we can integrate. So because we know that once we take the derivative, e to the x will be in the denominator, and then it will cancel. So we set u equal to 1 plus e to the x. We take du, the derivative of this expression with respect to x, which would equal e to the x. Since 1 is a constant, that will be 0. E to the x, derivative is just e to the x. And then don't forget to have the dx there. So then we will isolate dx to be equal to du over e to the x. Now you can see it's going to cancel with that term. So now let us substitute. Since there's no definite integration, we don't need to change any boundaries. We can just rewrite it as e to the x. We could write rad u, but for just the case of algebraic comprehension, we'll write u to the 1/2, same thing. And then du over e to the x. So you can see here now the ex's cancel, and this will give us the integral of u to the 1/2 du. Easy enough. So now let's integrate that. So we add 1 or 2/2 to the exponent, which would then give us u to the 3/2 over 3/2. Close that bracket, add a c over there, and let's just rearrange the numbers a little bit. We can put the 3/2 in the coefficient since that's a constant, and putting it as the numerator, it would be the reciprocal of 2/3 and times u to the 3/2 plus c. Now we're almost done. Make sure not to use this as your answer. You got to resub what we had u in so we can put it back in terms of x. This would equal 2/3 times parentheses 1 plus e to the x, since that is what u equals, to the 3/2, don't forget that exponent, plus c. That is our answer. So if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help, and good luck.